Hi everyone, I'm Catherine Beanie, Director of Marketing for Optima Juris. I'm here to introduce you to our International Deposition Guide series. Now this is an amazing series that Optima Juris offers. We offer 6-page PDFs that are country specific for holding a deposition in that country. So we have a different guide for England, we have a different guide for France, we have a different guide for South Africa, we have a different guide for Dubai. Any country that you want to hold a US deposition, we have a guide for. Inside these guides, you're going to find country-specific information on exactly how to hold a deposition in that country. These are must-have resources for law firms and court reporting firms. Inside, basically, you're going to find everything you need to know at your fingertips. We're really excited about these guides, and we know you're going to find them super useful. So please go check us out and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.